Hello, everyone. I hope you're enjoying whatever you're doing. Just do whatever you want. So, I'm making this video because I've been asked too many times that how you can do forex trading or online trading with too many risk involved. Yes, there is risk involved, but just as an example, imagine you're driving a car, crow like crazy, you go and smash a tree, boom, then you're gonna kill yourself or kill someone, and lots of risk involved. So if you know the rules, you can trade. If you don't, you can't. And what are the rules and what are the requirements for trading forex or online trading? I'm trading on forex, cryptocurrencies and stocks, indexes, ETFs, and many instruments that you think about. So, uh, as an online trader, I know the requirements for trading. So, what are those? You should be prepared. Okay. First, you should be educated. Do some homework. Do some homework. You can't go to the exam without any knowledge. Okay. Simple rule. First, educate yourself. Know the risks. If you want to do a technical analysis, just do research. Be prepared so you know how to open a trade, how to close it. Or if you are a fundamental trader, you know how to do it. At top of the news always, and decide when to open a trade, sorry, and when to close it. So, okay, this is the first thing. Get educated. Then you should be prepared mentally. How? How many times you open the trade, then you decide, oh, it's going the other way, so I should close it now. You just close it, and after a few seconds, few minutes, or the other day, or whatever, price goes exactly to the direction that you predicted. So then you're just biting yourself and you say, oh, why I closed this damn trade? Yes, why you closed it? Because you don't have any plan, you don't have strategy. If you have a plan and if you have a strategy and you are mentally prepared for the job that you're doing, you don't close a trade against your analysis. You set a take profit or stop loss or whatever. If you're a hedge trader like me, because I love hedge trading, uh, you find another trade against it. So, hedge against the other one. Um, yeah, you just keep it rolling. Um, yeah, another part will be even physically prepared because I think you need to physically be active, so you can make good judgments and good mental decisions as well. Um, People say this is too risky. I'm not gonna touch it. Now, yeah, if you don't have these things, just don't touch it because you're gonna lose everything. I know people lost their houses, their savings, their hard-earned money, just because they're not prepared. So yes, first be prepared. After you get prepared, you know what you're doing. Many people say trading on high leverage is risky. Okay, yeah, I agree with you guys, but if you have a strategy, uh, the size of the trade is important. So imagine you're opening a position with 10K with no leverage. You can open the same trade with just $100 with 100 leverage. So again, same amount of money is involved in that position. Um, and to make a good money, don't just have very, high expectations. This is a job. Yes, there are lots of opportunity to get to earn money. Okay, but never think that you're gonna, okay, I'm gonna earn 1,000% this year. No, you should set a goal like, maybe between 20 to 50%. I can say that's something that you can achieve every year. And you can achieve that if you uh, mentally prepared and you have a strategy for your job. Yes, but more than that, more than that, if you are here, to get rich in one night, I can say you're gonna lose everything you have. Bye bye. Just leave this job. This is not something for you. Okay. Yes. So this is a very risky job if you don't know what to do, and it's very nice job and very um, interesting job if you know what you're doing. So you managing the size of your trades, you managing the leverage, then uh, you're managing the risk. My the size of my positions normally, is less than 1%. Sometimes it goes above 1% of my total account, but normally less than 1%. So even if I lose 100% of one trade, I'm not losing that much. I don't care, So, but this is my strategy because I'm opening heaps of trades every day. Um, yeah, have a strategy, stick to it, and be prepared. Then you can start making money. I think that's enough for today, but I I will prepare some more videos in this regard and explain in detail how you can keep your risk down, uh, and even if you wanted to keep your risk down and specific brokers, then I can talk about that one. Um, just you can put your comment or ask the questions on my video, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So, yep, that's it. To finish to close this video, just I should say that I love trading. I've been trading forex since 2009, and I can say this is the best job you can ever have if you know what you're doing. You can manage your time, you're flexible, you don't have a boss. You can do whatever you want, anytime you want. If you want to take your kid to school, you can take them to school, you don't have to be at your company, and, if you want to go to holiday, you can manage your holiday anytime you want, you don't have to just wait and get permission from your boss where you work. You can take a laptop and have an eye on your open positions and just manage your job as you go if you want. But I can I say, even if the online trading and forex trading, just be organized. If you need to take a leave, just take a leave for a few days, few weeks, then come back fresh and start again. Uh, yep, be organized, be prepared, have a strategy, stick to it, and you can earn good money in this industry. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.